All right, here we go. All right, so you've seen a couple videos on the silver car, long distance transfer. So the name of that car is going to be Quicksilver, but we got some parts in here to make it quick. So let's see what we were lucky enough to have Modern Performance ship us here. And just like most stuff, staples go into the box. Alright, so we got ourselves this clutch here. Alright. Let's do a quick open box here. So we opted to go with the street disc. Alright. Just for what we got going on. Here is the nice flywheel that they ship with them, and there's a pressure plate, the throwout bearing, her bolts, her alignment tool, everything's in here. Performance street disc, sprung disc clutch kit. All right. So there's half the things that's going on. We're putting a nice clutch in. See what we got in here. Okay, so that up in a second. We got the lower hard pipe here that goes on to the underneath your AC unit right here. This is the AGP one. Here's the two silicone sleeves, pipe clamps, worm clamps, whatever you want to call them. Let's see what we got in here. I think I know what this is. We opted to try out the Mopar throwout bearing, and we got a stock ball to install in case we needed it. Alright. Nothing's wrong about these seats. Okay. We got all kinds of stuff. Alright, well, let's just start somewhere here. Okay, this one says mixed parts, even though it says with cooler. Where is it? There we go. Alright. Here's some of the stuff to install the gauges. Here's the bolts for the oil cooler that we're going to be installing. That's where I guess you hook up your oil gauge. Very nice. Mopar voltage gauge. Mopar oil pressure gauge. We have the AGP fourth mount. Comes with the bolt and hardware. So we've got the AGP catch cam. Nice and shiny. Real nice and shiny. Comes with clamps for the hoses. Comes with a bunch of hose. They give you, let's see here, how to install. Give you a how to install kit for that. I mean, you know, if you have problems with room on the other side, this is actually pretty nice because of where it mounts. Clear timing cover. That's because we're going to be installing the Mopar timing belt kit with the blue belt, which we already have. More stuff, guys, more stuff. There we go. Torque Solution transmission mount. Very nice, right there. Look, brand new. They give you a nice little sticker with them, in case you're into that. The lower engine mount. So we got the whole kit. Alright. This one here. This is the upper one, but it says mixed parts. This probably has the bolt kit that's included with them. Alright, there we go. We have our upgraded bolt kit. Here's the choke for the catch can. They put paper around it to make sure stuff didn't get scratched or damaged. There's our upper mount. Very nice idea, guys. Right here we have the MPX 62mm throttle body, which we'll see more when we unwrap this. I think that might be it. What else we got? Oh, there we go. We got one more. One more thing maybe here. There's our 3-pod pillar for our gauges. Okay. There we go. Well, that's everything. That's some of the parts. There was a couple things that are on back order. Front mount intercooler. All right, so that's everything that came today. We have some more stuff on the way that's on back order. We have a cold side pipe with an H-gas blow-off valve. That stuff seems to be on back order. We're getting the AGP direct mount. Direct front mount intercooler, that is on the way. That's on back order too. Some of the stuff from AGP was on back order. After the order was placed, we found that out, or we would have maybe went a different way. So this is everything to get started. Right now we're planning to do clutch, timing belt, motor mounts, everything you see here, gauges, a front mount intercooler, an aftermarket radiator. We have an AGP fork that we're going to be installing. BC coilovers are going to be getting installed. We already have those. Man, maybe possibly a big turbo kit. That stuff's kind of still up in the air as of just yet. But I just kind of wanted to do this. Thanks Modern for the fast shipping. I mean, this stuff was ordered on, I believe, Friday. Thursday, Friday? Maybe Friday. Thursday, and it was shipped out Friday. It's now Monday, so lightning speed from Texas to Pennsylvania. And a couple of these parts here are some things that I haven't installed yet. I never actually, you know, did an opening of the AGP catch can, or did I install any of these gauges. So I don't know if there's one that's missing because of something else here. Voltmeter, oil pressure. I think there's an AFR gauge on the way, and I think that's it. We're just going to keep using the stock boost gauge. But yeah, I mean, this is all the types of things that are going to make this car a whole lot nicer and a whole lot better. It's probably going to be a joy to work on, as clean as the car is. So, hey, with that, here we go, guys. Get to see these things put on.